Did you bottom out already? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we are at the off-axis workshop, aka at my house. We're gonna be doing some stuff, teaching everyone how to do teeter board and tramp wall, and hopefully acquiring some new talent, because we got a lot of shows this year. And last year we were limited to talent, so this year we're gonna see what we can get. Clean this lens. Let's get started. All right, so we've broken up everyone into groups. We got Chase teaching some tramp wall up here. We got a little teeter board workshop me and Dylan are teaching. Got the beginners right now. Everyone has already taken some pretty big launches, so far so good. We're gonna have some serious teeter boarders by the end of this. We are about to do the first ever tramp wall obstacle course. We have my friends here from Japan. They have no idea what I'm saying right now. And then we have 4 different teams. What they're gonna do is they're going to block up this trampoline. Everyone's got to make it to the top of the wall. Everyone comes back down. They unblock the trampoline. Then they got to cross this line. And whoever does it fastest wins free shoes for the whole team. You guys ready?
Yeah, let's go. We're on axis acrobatics.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh my god, wait!
Wait.
Down.
I feel like you can lift it.
Okay.
Okay.
This side's good?
Okay. You're good. Did I go up?
Okay, now.
It's on the blocks. Good.
Okay, now everyone get to the top of the wall. Okay, this trampoline's very off axis.
Very off axis.
Yeah.
Okay, two first.
Ah! And back down.
Cross the line? Or, yeah, unblock it. Interesting strategy.
Why?
Lower.
You don't have to wait.
What do you do? Okay.
Exactly 1 minute.
Sweet.
Okay.
All right, that was the first practice races. Now this is the one for all of the marbles or all of the shoes. Who's gonna win? The Japanese team won by a whole 15 seconds.
In the practice round.
And didn't follow stipulations, but it's fun.
Yes, they did cheat slightly, but they still won by 15 seconds. I don't think it would have been close either way.
You have to explain this to them.
This happened.
Okay. All right. On your marks. Get set. Go.
Clear.
Good.
Clear.
Yep.
Ooh, wow.
Up.
Down.
Go.
Here, that's what's all left.
Grab it.
Clear. Oh. I was there, so I could lift it.
36 seconds. 36 seconds. That puts them in the lead by a whole 10 seconds. So we got some real strategy this second time. Nice, guys. Okay, let's just make sure it's set for the next team.
Everything good.
That was a good strategy.
Hey, I'm watching those lines, Ivan.
Okay,
We're ready.
Chase's team. 3, 2, 1, go.
Wow, that's such a unique strategy.
No, not yet. Come on. Okay, ready?
$37.
What did they get?
Honestly, you guys were at 33 when you're getting off the trampoline. That last D block was so fast,
I
though.
didn't think that would be allowed, so.
1, 2, 3. Free shoes.
All right.
We're locked in and ready.
Did you guys say free shoes?
Yes, we did.
Okay.
We're team free shoes.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Clear.
Yep, go. Go.
Wait, you can't go down until he's up. Okay, go.
Go, go, go. I'm going next. Okay, hurry, hurry. Come on, come on, come on. Lift. Other side. Go, go, go. Go. There's no block over there. There's no block under there.
45 seconds.
Good job, though.
All right, Japanese team is last. Let's see if they can win this. Ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
Go. No. Okay. 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 No. Okay. 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 Ahí go.
GG's, guys.
That was crazy.
That was a 28-second time. They beat almost everyone by about 7 seconds. That's pretty impressive. So the whole Japanese team is walking away with some free TRAMPWALL shoes. If you guys enjoyed this video, consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one. Champions! Okay, I think the reaction to our shoe container is going to be pretty funny, so I'm going to film it.
Wow.
All the TRAMPWALL shoes in the world.